like to share with you unpacking of my Sony a7 Mark III camera. This is my first camera and I'm super excited to start using it because I've done a lot of research and I was really puzzled which camera to get, DSLR or mirrorless camera, and at the end of the day the weight of the camera played a big role of actually what camera I choose at the end. So let's start unpacking and see what is inside. Super excited. Super excited. This is the manuals. This strap. The quality of this strap is not the best, but it's just something what comes with the camera, so obviously it wouldn't be as good as you would get something more expensive. And it's good for now for the beginning, but I'm really excited to get some nice strap accessory for my camera later. So here comes the camera. Oh yeah, this is my baby. Oh. Yay. Small little guy. It's really, even I thought that for my hand it would be fine, but there's a lot of people who are complaining about how your pinky goes under the camera and might be a little bit tired at the end of the day while you're filming. But as far as I know, also Sony actually fixed this problem and they have kind of a add-on to this part. You can fix it with the help of this mount, and then it's gonna be extra support here so your pinky doesn't go down like this. But yeah, this is my baby. Super excited to start using it, and yeah, I need to learn a lot about the manual because manual actually really complicated as far as I know. Now there should be a battery and a charger. So this is the charger. This is the battery. And this is the cord for the charger. And funny part is that there is actually extra compartment which is empty, but it tempts to open it. It's so tempting. I don't know why it's empty. And set it aside. So next, this is the camera. Let's just do it like this. So next, I'd like to open, I guess I'm gonna start with this little baby. Prime lens, size 55mm, 1.8. I've been searching a lot of YouTube videos in order to find my first lens. I didn't want to get just multi-purpose zoom lens because it's big and heavy, and if you get something smaller and for example like as a prime lens, it will make your camera in general lighter, and the quality of pictures is also better. So I guess this is really good start and yeah, beginning point. So let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, this is the lens and there is a manual. I'll just leave it in the box for now. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is nice. So let's open this little guy. Let's open and see what is inside. It's really nice pouch. I guess it's leather or no, maybe not leather. It's not leather, but the pouch looks pretty nice. Okay, and this is the little guy. Look, it's tiny. I have small hands and it just fits perfectly in my hand, and it's not that heavy. And this is the second part of the lens. Let's just put it here like this. So let's just put it here like this. So there is a second guy, and we were thinking about getting something for macro shots, because I'm planning to do some photography for acupuncturists, and in order to kind of picture those tiny needles, you need to have macro camera as well. So this is Sony G macro lens, 90mm 2.8 aperture, and it also has built-in stabilization. So let's open this guy. This is the big guy. Manuals also in the box. Okay. Hey, this is bigger guy here, and definitely heavy. This is the extra part to the lens, but I just leave it in the pouch for now. The nice thing about this macro lens that you can make it manual focus, just moving this back and forth. Yeah, super cool. So nice. Nice little baby. Not little, it's heavy. It's obviously almost as heavy as Sony G Master 24 to 70mm 2.8 aperture. Yeah, but this is for small things like jewelry and needles. And now let's just open and actually set up my camera. I'll start with batteries and see if the battery is pre-charged. This is actually a good question because I almost got it with me to the beach and actually forgot the battery in the box. Let's see if it's charged. Clinch and close. Okay, what we have here? Turn it on. Battery exhausted, so it means that it's not charged and you need to actually charge it before. To be honest, I don't want to use these guys at all, just because I don't think it's right to charge battery through the camera, because basically your whole entire camera is under electricity and it's better to do it separate. So to be honest, I'm waiting for my external charger, which should be delivered today, and I actually will charge it later. But for now, let's just put the accessories on and enjoy. So out of my another accessories, I have these big design anchors which are untouchable, and it's really comfortable during your photo shoot, and if you need to put like camera from here to there and the strap doesn't allow you to do it that fast, so you basically untouch it and shot wherever you want to. So we have two plastic things which will attach to the stripe, and also we have four things which are detachable part, and it works like this. Very comfortable, I guess. They say it's really robust according to this picture. That's it, no return. They're showing how to actually anchor it and how to make it work with everything together. So, and next is this screen protector, and I really recommend getting one ASAP, just because I guess it's really necessary thing you need to have with your camera, because you need to protect the screen. It's really fragile. It's not like Canon, which you can open and close and it goes like inside. So yeah. This is wrap up for this video. I really enjoyed making it for you. I hope you find it useful. There are 3 things I still need to finish in order to start using my camera. First thing, I need to put the stripe on, but I need to wait for my boyfriend to take these little things off, because I just cannot do it on my own. Second thing, I need to put this screen protector, because I even don't want to try using camera without it. And the last but not least, I'm waiting for my charger to come today, and I'll charge my batteries. And I'm super excited to start using my camera as soon as possible, hopefully today, if not then tomorrow. and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for being with me during my unboxing video. I hope you like it, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye!